Hello, my dear, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. My dear friend, tell me if this sounds familiar to you. It is 2 a.m. Everyone is asleep, but you are wide awake. And the same thought is running in your head again and again. The same guilt, the same worry, the same situation from 3 days ago, 3 months ago, or even 3 years ago, but your mind is replaying it like it just happened 5 minutes ago. And you tell yourself, why can't I just stop thinking about this? Why can't I let it go? What is wrong with me? Yes, I got you. Today, in this video, my dear, I will show you exactly why your mind keeps repeating the same thoughts and the exact Ho'oponopono practice to finally break that loop. So, please stay with me till the end because this can truly change everything for you. So, dear, let us first understand what is really happening with you. Most people think overthinking is a habit that you just need to control. So you try, you tell yourself, stop thinking about it. You distract yourself, you scroll your phone, you try positive affirmations, but within minutes, the same thought is back. And then you feel even worse because now on top of the original thought you also feel guilty that you couldn't control it. Dear friend, here is the truth as per Ho'oponopono. You are not overthinking. Your subconscious mind is replaying stored memories. Your subconscious mind is like a computer, and right now it has old files running in the background. Files created during a painful experience, maybe a heartbreak years ago, maybe a failure years ago, maybe something someone said that cut deep, maybe even something from childhood that you don't consciously remember. Yes, and whenever anything in your current life even slightly resembles that old pain, the file reopens, it plays again and again. The same emotion, the same thought loop, the same heaviness in your body, in your heart. This is not your fault, dear. Tum doshi nahi ho, you are not doing anything wrong. It is unconscious programming playing again and again in the background. And like any program, it can be cleaned. That is what Ho'oponopono does. It doesn't ask you to control your thoughts. It asks you to clean that memory behind this thought. समझ आया? Got it? So now let me show you exactly how. Whenever that repetitive thoughts comes back, and it will, because that is what stored memory does. Here is what I want you to do. Step 1. Stop fighting with it. The moment you fight the thought, why am I thinking this? Stop it. I shouldn't be thinking like this. You are feeding more energy, negative energy to it. Resistance creates more charge. Instead, just observe. Say to yourself, this thought is here again. It is just a memory replaying. This is not the truth about my situation. Just that small shift from fighting to observing. Already it reduced the intensity by half. Step number 2, no need to analyze. Dear, this is where most people got stuck. They try to understand, why am I thinking like this? What is the lesson? What does it mean? But as per Ho'oponopono, you don't need to understand the memory to clean it. You just need to clean. The divine knows what the memory is. You just say the four phrases with your hand on your heart. And step number 3, the cleaning practice. So now I want you to actually do this with me right now. Wherever you are, just take your right hand and gently place it on your heart. Slowly say with me, Close your eyes and now think of one thought that keeps coming back. The one that woke you up at 2 a.m. The one that won't leave you alone. Don't analyze it, dear. Just acknowledge it. It is there. And now repeat after me out loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the memory in me that is creating this thought. I'm sorry for the pain stored in my subconscious that is replaying over and over. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for holding on to this. Please forgive me for thinking this was my fault. Thank you. Thank you for cleaning this from me. Thank you for releasing what I don't even consciously know I am carrying. I love you. I love the part of me that held on to this pain. I love the part of me that is now ready to let it go. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear friend, open your eyes. You can do this anytime when you are lying in bed and the thought starts, when you are at work and the same worry returns, when you are cooking, driving, sitting in silence, and suddenly the memory floods in. That is your cue. That is the moment for cleaning, not fighting, not analyzing, just cleaning. Say the four phrases 108 times if you can, but honestly, even repeating them quietly for 1 minute will shift something inside you. Because Hope Nope No works at a level deeper than logic. Yes, it speaks directly to your that memory stored in your cells. And here is something magical. I want you to know, dear, every time you do this, every time you clean instead of fighting, that memory loses a little more power. And one day you will notice that thought came and it just passed. It didn't grab you, it didn't spiral you. You just saw it and it went. That is the healing, that is the freedom. And that is what you truly deserve. So simple, right? Now, dear friend, before I end, I have something very special to share with you. Many of you have been asking me, Arpita, how do I do this healing consistently? How do I stay on this path every single day? Yes, because the practice works, but sometimes I forget. Sometimes I get pulled back into old patterns, and I truly understand that. Healing is not a one time thing, it is daily thing. It is consistent and having a community, a space where you feel held. It makes all the difference, dear. That is exactly why I created my magical daily healing program. Every single day, Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. I guide you through a practice that is Hope Nope No, EFT tapping, inner authority work. Everything designed to help you release stored emotions and step into your true power. This is a paid program, dear, but I am opening it for free for the next 30 days for you. Yes, you heard that right, free. No catch. Just 30 days of daily guided healing with me and a beautiful community of women who are on that exact same journey as you are. The link is right here in the description below. Click it now. Join us today because this 30 days can change the pattern that has been running your entire life. And I don't want you to miss this. Thank you so much for watching today. If this video helped you even a little, please share it with three women in your life who are also struggling with overthinking. Yes, and repetitive thoughts. You have no idea how much one share can change someone's life. And if you are new here, I am Arpita Bhattacharya, Hope Nope No Healing and Emotional Freedom Coach. helping women just like you to heal from guilt, heartbreak, and emotional pain. Subscribe right now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a healing session. Comment below and tell me what is the one thought that keeps coming back to you. Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Yes? See you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.